See, I do have a full support from my family, generally always for whatever I decide. But here it was something like I'm not only a mother, not only a wife, not only a daughter-in-law. I am also a woman and I have my own self identity also. So I felt that मुझे खुद को भी सोचना है. I wanted to prove myself. I wanted to see कि कितना मैं resist कर सकती हूँ to things. So though they were always there with me, my decision, and they agreed to everything that कि हाँ तुझे करना है, then you do it. So they were always supporting to me. So I only felt that कि I need to prove myself, I need to get my identity by showing that कि नहीं मैं ये भी कर सकती हूँ, I can do my household things also, I can manage everything and I can do all the things together. So that was one thing that I decided to go for Yodha. Definitely yes, क्योंकि there are many moments when kids need you और बहुत ऐसे challenging और demanding times होता है that when they want you at that moment, कुछ function है and you have to come here also and you have to go there also. So sometimes, but उसमें वो भी है कि as family support is also there, but also ये है कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I would, once I am doing that decision and they would understand कि mama is putting forward an example to them कि मैंने कहीं commit किया है, so that's the discipline that I am following and that would always be an example for them that okay, because she is committed there, she is consistent and that will always help them for their future life also. मुझे लगता है कि मेरा setting an example to them would always help them to decide something in future or everything in future. Yeah, the same thing कि जब when it happens that some Saturdays I have few other commitments also besides Yodha, but because that also is there where I have committed myself, so sometimes it does happen that because I have to go there, so that guilt comes in there. Okay, I had given a commitment to Yodha, but I'm not able to do it. Will I able to do that? Will I be able to giving my full with Yodha? But then I push myself. No, I have to manage both of them, and then I get that motivation and I go for it. I like, nahi, I'll do it. Obviously, sometimes it does come in, and though we are coming very close to the D-Day, and we know that in a week or so we'll have the main Yodha event. So I sometimes get nervous, but the practice that we have done, the efforts that Vishu has put in, and the challenging things that he has given us, now that pushes me. And I think that what I am doing is right now he's preparing us for the best. And I know we'll do very well there, and I am positive about it.
कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ तो उतरी थी, मगर ये मैं बोलूँगी कि मुझे देखना था कि योद्धा है क्या, और योद्धा में ये देखना था मेरा स्टेमिना कितना ज़्यादा है, और मुझे इतना था मतलब विशु सर के ऊपर कि विशु सर अगर मेरा स्टेमिना अगर नहीं है तो मैं वो उस लेवल तक जा सकती हूँ, इसलिए मैंने योद्धा ज्वाइन किया। यस, एक्साइटेड तो मैं बहुत काफ़ी थी, और मतलब मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि मैं बेस्ट से बेस्ट करूँ, और सर ने भी जैसा उन्होंने अपना टाइम दिया कि नहीं तुमको यही टाइम पे फिनिश करना है, तो मैं वही टाइम पे ही ख़त्म करने की कोशिश करती थी। और हर जब भी मैं ट्रेनिंग के लिए आती थी तो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड होके आती थी, प्रेशर नहीं लेती थी, कूल रहती थी, इसलिए शायद मैंने अभी तक अपना बेस्ट किया है। मैं नींद जैसे है, एक्साइटेड तो हूँ मैं काफ़ी कि नहीं करना है, और प्रेशर थोड़ा सा लेती हूँ, कूल रहने की कोशिश करती हूँ, और ये रहता है कि उस दिन मेरा बेस्ट जाए, बस ये सोचती हूँ हमेशा। मैं अपनी पार्टनर को तो पहले से जानती थी, बट मुझे उसके बाद कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत था कि वो मेरे साथ अच्छा बेस्ट अपना देगी, और वो दे रही है, और हम इसके लिए हम इतना आगे आए और अच्छा कर रहे हैं। मुझे अपने पार्टनर पे काफ़ी भरोसा है और हम उस दिन बेस्ट देंगे।